Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to show you how to comment on Offerup. So if you're looking on how to comment on Offerup, then this video is for you. First, what you want to do is access the Offerup app and then find the item that you want to comment on. So let's say that I'm interested in this dog cage over here. So click on the dog cage, and then afterwards on the bottom left hand side, you're going to see two tabs. One is called Ask and one is called Make an Offer. If you click on Ask, you can type in a new message, or you can use any of the preset messages here. Hi, is this available? Hi, I'd like to buy this. Hi, can you meet today? Will you ship through Offerup? That's one way to send the message. If you click on Make an Offer, you can actually send the offer that you want to make for this item. So technically, commenting on Offerup is about pretty much the same thing as messaging. There's no actual separation between the two. Once you click on Ask and send a message, let's say, hi, is this available? This is going to be your new message window, okay? So now once you actually access your inbox, you're going to find that message on the top hand side. So your messages are organized by recency. So as you can see, this is the big dog cage that I just messaged about. Hi, is this available? And so now in order to find that message again, you just click on the inbox in the bottom left hand side, click on the message. And so this is technically how you comment on Offerup. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.